Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, I will show you guys how can you reset your mobile. Guys, you want to reset your phone, so how can you reset? Means you want to erase guys your old data in your phone. So how can you erase it? So today I will show you guys. So before starting video, friend, first of all, you can subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like my video. So when first of all, we will on our phone setting to reset our phone. Then guys, scroll it. Friends, you can see your phone system setting. Friends, tap here. Guys, click on your reset option. Friends, you can say erase old data reset settings. So friends, you want to erase, guys, you can erase. Guys, you can see your erase data. This will erase all data from your phone internal storage, including your Google account, system app and data setting, download app, music, photos, other user data. Guys, everything will delete in your phone. You want to delete, guys, you can delete from here. Click on this icon. This erase all data. You can delete from here. So I hope friends you have understood how to erase old data means how to reset phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye friends. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video. Bye friends.